Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure both devices are network-ready and visible to each other. First, connect your phone and Google TV to the same Wi-Fi network because casting uses local discovery. Next, sign into the same Google account on both devices so app features and permissions sync. Once done, check for system updates on the TV and update the Google TV app on your phone. This prevents version conflicts. Finally, enable device visibility, or pairing mode on the TV, so your phone can find it. Now open the Google TV app and tap the cast or devices icon to start linking. Grant local network and Bluetooth permissions when the app asks. Without them, discovery fails. Select your Google TV from the device list and choose the action you want: cast a video, mirror your screen, or set up remote control. If the TV displays a PIN, type it into the phone to verify ownership. This step prevents accidental connections. Finally, let the app finish any background synchronization so content and controls appear correctly. Finish by testing playback and remote control. Play a short clip and try navigation buttons to confirm full control. If things go wrong, power cycle the TV, phone, and router first. This clears transient network issues. Make sure your router isn't using client isolation or guest mode that blocks device-to-device traffic, because that stops casting. If you still can't connect, sign out and back into your Google account on both devices, then repeat pairing. That resets permissions and often resolves stubborn sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.